The Littlest Train. The Littlest Train by Gall. In a small room down a short flight of stairs, there lived a little train. He spent his days circling a tiny town. It was the only neighborhood he had ever known. One day, the ground shook and a shadow appeared overhead. It could mean only one thing. Mr. Fingers was back in town. This time, Mr. Fingers knocked over the crane, which bumped the train, who fell down, 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 and into a brand new world. The little train spotted a tunnel. It was time to explore. The world beyond seemed vast and strange, until the little train spotted something familiar in the distance. It was the biggest train he had ever seen. Mighty Max steamed up and offered a ride. "Hey there, little one," he rumbled. "When my 100 tons really get rolling, I can show you some sights." They thundered off together with the wind in their smokestacks. Around the bend, Chloe Cogs chugged up and offered to carry the little train to the top of the world. "Come with me, little train," she said. "I've got 32 teeth on my gears and I never slip back. I'll take you to a place where you can see forever." Forever looked wonderful, but the little train realized there was one thing he could not see: his home. Luckily, Sarah Speedster was nearby. "Hop in," she said. "At 150 miles per hour, we'll get you home lightning quick." Sarah Speedster raced as far and as fast as she could, but everything zoomed by in a blur, and the little train could not spot his home. By the time they arrived at the switching yard, the sun was getting low. Mr. Fingers would surely have noticed that the little train was missing. Farley Freighter had an idea. He traveled far and wide to deliver goods, so he knew of a place where little trains lived. "All aboard," he whistled. Finally, the little train did not feel so little anymore, but he had no tracks, no trees, and no table, and he missed his new friends. Then the little train saw a familiar shadow. "Mr. Fingers!" The little train was finally home. Mr. Fingers had been busy, and there was a brand new town to explore. And it was so much more fun to be exploring with friends. The